I bet you can't guess who's playing this game of ping pong. 50 years after the game's invention, you're watching it being played by 800,000 neurons. This paper describes how scientists have created a miniature cyborg of sorts called DishBrain. In these scanning electron microscope pictures, you can directly see how scientists grew a single layer of neurons from pluripotent stem cells on top of an array of electrodes. DishBrain allowed these neurons to play ping pong by providing sensory input about the location of the ball in the form of electrical stimulation. The scientists assign each pixel within the virtual play screen to a single electrode within a designated area of the chip array. Using the spatial coordinate grid, the neurons could keep track of the ball's motion. Two other areas recorded motor outputs from the neurons. Neurons within the first area figuratively press the up button by increasing their overall activity. In contrast, neurons in the other area figuratively press the down button in the game by increasing their activity. Whenever the neurons failed to guide the paddle towards the ball, the game punished them with a stimulus that was unpredictable, i.e. random white noise. Within as little as 5 minutes of real-time play, the neurons seemed to be interested in the video game. They were showing a trend towards minimizing that boring white noise. It seems like humans aren't the only ones that dislike silent treatment. Ultimately, the neurons weren't very good at playing the game. They only hit the ball with the paddle about twice as often as chance. But they were for sure playing, which is really cool if you think about it. If interested, follow for part 2.